All right, have my mic on now. I hope that it's working. It is Monday, January the 11th. No, January the 12th, Monday the 12th, 2026. And since we gave the horses away March of last year, I'm going to repurpose the big tack room, and I'm starting taking away the corral fencing, and I'm going to repurpose it on the west side of the property in a fence over there that needs to be replaced. So I'm going to make a short video here of me just dismantling this fencing in the corral, and I've already hauled I think 3 truckloads of pine straw, and I've got it over in what used to be Agilon's corral over this way. So I'm going to start dismantling this corral fence. Make a short video. I apologize for the last video because I didn't have a mic and it wasn't picking up what I was saying. Hopefully this is working, and we'll see how this goes. I'm tired already, so I want to get a little bit done and then head back home and rest. This corral here used to be Rudy's corral. And these posts are really in the ground, but I'm just taking the railing out now. But it's in here. Been here for 24 years. And if I can get this off without messing it up, I'll repurpose it. But it's not wanting to come out. It is not wanting to come out. I thought this was going to be easy peasy, but I don't think it is. I don't think it's going to come off as easy as I thought. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yep, that ain't doing as easy as I thought it would. Well, got one down. One down. That post is leaning. In fact, I have to move the camera because it looks like it's about to come down. Yep. I need to do that. Need to. That post there looks like it's about to fall. It ain't in the ground as much as them others are. I'll do it this way. Sit y'all over here so that it don't get knocked over. There we go. This looks like it's about to teeter-totter. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, we're making a little headway. Try to keep the nails out of the ground because I don't want any flat tires. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. There's that gutter, which was always about to totter when it was on that post. All right. If I can get this little section done, I'm calling it a day, because I've already been working all day, raking up leaves, loading leaves. All right. Those boards ain't gonna be able to use them again because they are splitting. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. That's gonna take a lot to get them posts up. Because those are like 8 by 8, 10 foot, probably 4 foot in the ground. Because 25 years ago is when I put these down, and I was a lot younger then than I am now. Today when I was loading the pine straw, I forgot and left my pitchfork in the truck, and I covered it up. And then when I got up here and needed it, I had to hunt for it. And that wasn't smart on my part, but it happened. Well, it was easier just pulling on it instead of using the crowbar. And there's a reason they call this a crowbar, because it makes a crowing sound when you're using it. Especially when it's a difficult piece of wood to get the nail out. I want to get these two over here moved. But just take a look right here. All of this is just some of what come out of my yard at home. Usually about 18 truckloads per winter during the fall when I'm cleaning it up. That's what I get out of there. I'm going to try to get these two boards, and then I'm going home, calling it a day. Got to take Ellie to the vet tomorrow because she hurt her back legs Thursday night while I was playing the piano for doing something. I don't know what she was doing. But she don't want to put weight on her back legs if she can help it. She does, but I can tell it don't feel good to her. That post wasn't even in the ground hardly. Oh my gosh. That one come up very easy. Must have rotted. It must have rotted. Okay. I got to get a knife to cut that rope off of that post. But I'm going to end the video here because I don't think people like long videos. And I hope everybody's having a good day.